All right.
Speak Spanish.
Say hi, Colin. No, don't listen to the instructions. They're in Spanish.
I don't speak Spanish.
Say hi.
Hi.
We're on this ride. I want to take a nap. We'll spin eventually. Just ignore me. I'm doing video out of boredom.
Whoa. Oh, I hope I don't get sick.
Well, you're on the edge. Don't say anything.
I don't know. I think I did find a corner. It's right here.
Ha! I win. Where's the corner? Show me the evidence of said corner.
Right there.
No, that curves. That's still curvature.
That's what you said about the...
That's totally a corner.
Kids, close your eyes for a
God.
second.
It rounds.
Just do it. Close your eyes.
It all rounds off.
Alright, you're okay now.
It all rounds up. There is no corners and a circle.
There's corners.
Show me a corner on the black.
Corner.
No,
Corner.
no,
Corner.
no, on the
Oh my god. I'm sorry.
Oh gosh.
Hey, learn how to drive. We're sitting here.
Get out of the road. Oh my gosh.
Let's try Twilight today.
Are we ever gonna make it?
No.
Right.
We're gonna This is gonna suck.
Good job. Right.
Dun, 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 dun. It's my turn coming this
Oh,
way.
no.
It's spraying out of the pipe.
There's the middle one. This is fun.
Oh wow, look at the hotel.
Yes, the
Oh,
hotel.
like there's a redwood out there.
Yeah. Screaming?
Yep.
Oh my god. Ah, not my camera. I'm like, spare the camera.
It worked.
I'm like, spare the
There
camera.
you
Okay, anytime you see my hand come up or you see the camera suddenly come towards me, it's because I'm trying to keep it from getting wet.
We're gonna get wet. We're gonna get wet.
Maybe not. I love her reaction. We're gonna get wet, we're gonna get wet, we're gonna get wet.
You were worried.
Oh,
Now you have reason to be worried.
it's not over.
It's never over.
You might want to put your camera away soon.
No, it's okay. I'll protect it.
Yeah,
I'm
okay.
getting dizzy. Oh crap.
Yes, we're hardly even getting wet. This is my new record so far.
I'll be sure to log that.
This is my new record so far. Water, more water, a drop. Wait, a drop?
Looks like a waterfall.
It is.
Oh, I don't want to get
Oh yay, we're falling backwards. I love this side. Whoa! You okay?
We're gonna get released.
Remember scoliosis
And hard
Oh my god, now it's not over. Are you okay?
Oh my god.
That was cold. I told you guys.
Gosh darn it.
The corner always gets up. That's the big one. Gosh,
If you don't wait, if you
Well, I guess I can't get any wetter.
you want to bet?
Yeah, my whole hair is soaked, I guess.
Darn it.
pants. I don't have any extra pair of jeans.
Nor do I. I got an extra shirt, but both are wet.
True that.
Yes!
Uh-oh. Goodbye, cruel world.
Oh my god!
I'm gonna get soaked.
Hold on for your life.
We'll probably spin before you get it.
F you.
Did you just tell him F you?
Yes.
So we're gonna spin.
Let's take that.
Oh! Okay, we didn't spin that far.
That way.
No, keep spinning this
North,
way.
north.
Oh, crap.
Oh, my camera got wet!
My pants got wet again, and my shirt.
My poor camera. The whole back of my bag. Okay, my camera's wet, so I'm probably gonna have to turn it off now. Okay, let's see. There's Colin's
I've got a puddle in my shirt.
I had a puddle in my pants a second ago.
Okay, that was Grizzly River Rapids. I'm gonna turn off my camera because it's wet.